This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Michael Allen. Sweet, quiet neighborhood, mountain views, fantastic location, and a gem of a home with over 1,800 square feet of room to grow. Enjoy theopen floor plan upstairs with vaulted ceilings and a spacious sunroom with a wonderful view of the nearby mountains. Level, fenced backyard with plenty of room to play, garden, and relax. 2-car garage that walks out to the backyard. Large, finished basement for anything you may need includes a half bath. Huge detached carport for a boat, RVs, cars, and more. 1-year 2 to 10 home warranty included for new owners. Come see for yourself all this great home has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Allen at 865-693-1111.